Dogs can predict earthquakes hours before they happen. Imagine your furry friend acting restless or anxious without any apparent reason. This could be their way of sensing seismic shifts in the Earth's crust. Scientists believe dogs can detect vibrations at frequencies imperceptible to humans, picking up on the tiniest of tremors. Their acute sense of hearing and smell might also play a role, as they could be detecting underground gases released before an earthquake strikes. This incredible ability has been documented in various instances, where dogs have alerted their owners to impending danger, prompting early evacuations. While science is still unraveling the full extent of this phenomenon, many pet owners swear by their dog's uncanny knack for sensing natural disasters, potentially turning these loyal companions into life-saving allies.